Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, grade 3. My name is Ma'am Afnan and I'll be teaching you ICT from today. Today is our lecture number 1, which is from your chapter number 1, Computers, Fundamentals and Devices. I want you to open your book in front of you while watching the video so you can understand in a better way. The first topic for today is computer. Computer is an electronic machine that can accept, store, and then process data to generate information. We can complete our work on time and much faster. We can read stories, write letter, draw and color the pictures and play games. Computer is an electronic machine. What is an electronic machine? Which requires electricity to operate, which is made from such technology which is electronic, that can accept, store and process the data to generate information. We can give data to computer, it will accept, it will store in its memory, it will process the data in it and then generate information for us. We can complete our work on time and much faster. Human brains work a little bit slow. But when it comes to a computer is super fast to calculate and do work on time. We can save our time, energy, and make our work easy through computer. We can read stories on computer, write letters to our friends, draw and color the pictures, and play games. Here you can see a picture of computer. And now we will learn about the parts of a computer. There are 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, which is known as Central Processing Unit, keyboard, mouse. You can see the 4 things in a picture. We have a screen, which is called monitor. We have a box, which is called CPU, Central Processing Unit. We have keyboard, from which we can type letters, and we have a mouse, from which we can operate our computer. The next picture is about a monitor. What is a monitor? It looks like a TV screen. We can see alphabet, words, cartoon, pictures, and numbers on a monitor. Monitor visualizes the things for us. We can see things on it, like alphabets, ABC, words, cartoon, pictures, and numbers. Monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit, VDU. The other picture is about types of computer. There are 2 types of computer: cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display. The short forms are CRT, LCD. A CRT is a computer in the shape of a box. It is heavier. LCD is a flat screen computer, which we use nowadays. Now what is a CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the main part or brain of computer system which controls all functions and working. Like a human being is controlled by a brain, in the same way computer is controlled by CPU. If you don't have your CPU working properly, you cannot operate a computer. CPU is the main part, the important part of a computer, which makes it run, do calculations. Now, parts of a CPU. CPU consists of 3 parts: arithmetic and logic unit, which is in a short form ALU, control unit CU, memory unit MU. What is arithmetic and logic unit, ALU? This unit of a CPU is a part. This part performs all the arithmetic calculations and logical operations. Now, I will explain you what is an arithmetic calculation and logical operation. Basically, it does the task of addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and comparison operations such as later than, greater, less than. Now, in maths, we have already studied about addition, adding two things, subtracting, minus, division, dividing two or more things, multiplication, multiplying different things, and comparison. Comparison means when you compare two things, which is lesser, which is greater, which is bigger, which is smaller. All these calculations are called arithmetic and logical operations, ALU, which I told you is a part of CPU. Now we have the other part of CPU, which is control unit. The CU controls the flow of information between various parts of the computer and coordinates the flow. How information is being processed, how the data which we provide to the computer flows in it. This is controlled by CU. Then we have memory unit. Memory means saving things. Whenever we store data in the computer, we want it to be saved and not deleted or disappearing. Memory unit has two types of memory. ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. ROM is a permanent memory. We cannot erase the data stored in it easily. RAM. Random access memory. RAM stores temporary data that can be accessed, changed, or deleted. RAM stores nothing once the computer is switched off. Now there are two types of memories. ROM. ROM is a permanent memory. Things stored in ROM cannot be deleted easily. They will be stored even if the computer is switched off, even if the computer is not working. The things which are stored in ROM will go nowhere. You cannot change them. You cannot edit them. You cannot make any kind of amendment in them. While coming towards RAM, random access memory. Random access memory means any data which is stored in RAM can be deleted. Any information, any file, any text, any picture which is stored in RAM will be deleted if the computer is switched off. You have learned about two memories. One is ROM, read-only memory, permanent one, and the second one is RAM, a temporary memory, which is random access memory. Then I've got some homework for you. Learn and write parts of computer in detail on your notebook. I want you to write in detail the parts of computer you have learned today in this video in detailed form. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz. I'll see you in the next video.